If you're experiencing issues with syncing your Call of Duty account, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Verify account credentials. Ensure that you are using the correct login credentials for your Call of Duty account. Double check your username and password for any typos or errors. Step 3. Link accounts properly. Go to the account settings on the Call of Duty website and ensure that your gaming accounts like PlayStation, Xbox, or Battle.net are properly linked. Follow the prompts to link or unlink accounts as necessary. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. If you are accessing your account through a web browser, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help resolve any temporary data issues that may be causing the sync problem. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Call of Duty support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your account sync issues. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.